It is still February, you're right, and still winter, and it's going to get a little colder by Wednesday. I'll show you that coming up here in just a minute, but you're right. Enjoy today. It's going to be beautiful. Mostly sunny. We'll see some upper 40s by lunch, by midday, and then mid to even upper 50s by 5 o'clock. That is one happy emoji this afternoon. Mostly sunny skies expected today. We're going to see a little mix of sun and clouds in the mountains, but we're in the 50s both today and tomorrow. It is going to get a little breezy at times. We'll see winds likely at around 15 to near 30 miles per hour. But overall, with that breeze, you're getting some really mild conditions. You can see some of the winds up and through the mountains and foothills this morning. Over some of the higher mountain passes, Berthoud Pass, Kenosha Pass, you're going to find speeds at around 30 to 40 miles per hour. And it is going to get a lot windier just north of our state. So you will find in spots like Fort Collins, Longmont, north up into Wyoming, likely some of the gustier conditions. These are high wind warnings issued for portions of Wyoming today, tomorrow. We could see wind gusts over about 70 to 75 miles per hour there. So again, we're going to be just on the southern edge of that. Right now, looking at mainly upper 20s to low 30s, a pretty nice start to our early Monday morning. And watch our futurecast. We're only going to stay in some of that cooler weather for the next couple of hours. By about 10 o'clock, we're already in the low to mid 40s, close to some of our normal highs for the day. So already pretty warm through mid-morning. You'll notice again those winds starting to pick up a bit through the afternoon, but it's going to get pretty warm. We've got Fort Collins, Greeley, Denver, all right around 50 to near 55 degrees, and same thing to the south there in Castle Rock. In the high country, a little mix of sun and clouds, partly sunny with our highs in the 20s to it looks like 30s this afternoon. Early tomorrow morning on Tuesday, we'll be back down to near freezing, upper 20s and low 30s, pretty quiet through the early morning hours, and then another day with some 50s on Tuesday. The winds will pick up a little more tomorrow. It's going to get a bit breezier, especially up and through the foothills and on the west side of town. Speeds likely at around 20 to even near 40 miles per hour. So if you want to get out, go for a walk or a run, today is probably going to be the calmer of the 2 days. Pretty mild though. Now by Wednesday, those temperatures are going to tank. We're going to be a good 20 degrees colder. We'll drop down into the 30s through midweek, and then by Friday start to warm up a little bit. Highs will be back in the low to mid 40s, and then already tracking what's going to be a pretty chilly weekend, upper 30s to low 40s both Saturday and Sunday. But Eric, when it comes to that chance for snow, it looks like Wednesday is going to be our best bet, and at this point looks to be pretty light. We'll be taking a closer look at some of those potential snowfall totals coming up.